Hello. We are the co-founders of startup Locator.com. I am Alex Gorin.
And I'm Vlad Gerasimenko. I've been working for a few Dutch companies as an export sales manager for CIS, Eastern Europe, Middle East and North Africa countries. Companies are leading manufacturers and trading of special transport and heavy lifting equipment. During 11 years, many clients were asking me to help them to find good and reliable partner with and without equipment in other country, find information about different law, rules and standards, to get in touch with project contractors, to find crane or the barge, to find who has similar equipment so companies can work together for the bigger project. Solution: how to transport different abnormal loads.
Project logistic industry is a big and interesting market with a huge turnover and high profits, but at the same time with a shortage of information, services, knowledge and communication between different parties. We found the idea to create a map with equipment to rent, lease, buy, companies to contact, services to use. For project runners or logistic company, everyday routine job becoming an interactive process to build the list of favorite counterparties. Virtual park of equipment, which can be used in real life, communicate with other users from different parts of world online.
Each contract begins with the fact that someone needs to move something big and to install. Responsible project team starting to do research to check the available services at the internet. Thus, provider can carry all the projects safely and on time. Thus, he has all the equipment and a specialist. Thus, provider has experience on this kind of projects. And the niche project logistics, there are two main categories of players. One who needs the service or equipment, those who hold the project so they can work together in the same time, someone who to work on the project with service and equipment. We call them clients. Those who provide the ultimate services, those who has an equipment, technology, people, etc. Let's call them providers. As a project team start to search different services on the internet, they will see different services, different equipment owners and professionals. They start to call, send a lot of emails, and at the same time, there should be communication between services, equipment, and professionals. If you didn't succeed to find the correct service, you will have to go backwards to the search and do it over and over again. If everything goes smooth, you will get your project. At the same time, service providers, equipment owners, and professionals are doing the same routine work. They go online or offline and search for different projects, services, and jobs for their team. They also do advertisement on internet, magazines, and visiting a lot of exhibitions. It's including a lot of calls, a lot of emails, and what everybody looking for as a project for their team, for their equipment. If everything goes smooth, you will get the contract. If not, you have to go over and over again to find a job and to make your team busy.
Within Locator service providers can promote their services in one source. Equipment owners can plot the equipment on a map. Professionals follow the companies. From other side, project team can place a request or complete project online. To find reliable partners, equipment and teams, without making unnecessary calls and emails. All users can send direct messages, place focused adverts, proceed with an interactive interface.
Now we'll show you how to use a crane locator in a real project. For example, we have a project from Malaysia to Australia to move steel pipes. First, we move our pin to Malaysia to find the barge. Use a filtration to find the barge in certain region in 1000 kilometers for rent. Then we know that our capacity must be no less than 600 tons. We continue searching. Within the region, we find 5 units of the equipment, and now we go to the list. Here, we can see all the chosen equipment and we can put it as a favorite. At the same time, we see the details of the equipment, capacity, length deck, width of the deck, and see who is the owner of the equipment and continue to book it.
For this project, we will search now the requested services. We need here an insurance in Azure. Let us open companies. Check Azure as scope of operation and insurance as category. So we see companies list with matching parameters. Box and company is good for us. On the company page, we open direct contact and ready to discuss the condition.
This map displays the percentage of our visitors by regions and also their interests.
Here we want to show you the regions covered by different services companies registered on the cranelocator.com.
We make our customers more successful and they in return provide us with growth. Thanks for your time. Thank you for your attention.